Hello and welcome to Tech Support Wheel, and in this video I will show you how you can fix GCC is not recognized as an internal or external command error that appears while compiling a C program in command prompt. GCC stands for GNU Compiler Collection, which is a compiler to compile C programs. While compiling a C program using GCC command, you get GCC not recognized error, as the GCC compiler is not installed on your computer. You can replicate the error by typing GCC-V in a command prompt. The first step to fix the error is to install GCC compiler. In case you have already installed GCC compiler, watch the video till the end, where I will show you the next step in fixing the error. Let's download the MinGW GCC compiler for Windows. Once downloaded, run the installer. Click on Install. The default install directory is under C drive. I will let it be like this. Installation is complete. Click on Continue. Click on Objective-C compiler and select Mark for installation. Do the same for the C++ compiler. Then, go to Installation tab and select Apply Changes. Click on Apply and wait for the packages to be downloaded to the installation directory. Click on Close. Now, the GCC compiler is installed on your computer. If you run GCC-V, you will still get the not recognized error. The last step is still pending. The next step is to update the path variable on your computer that points to the compiler binaries. Go to the MinGW install directory and copy the path to the bin directory. The bin directory contains all the binaries for the compiler like other tools. Open environment variables of your computer by typing environment variables in Windows search. Click on Environment Variables button. Select the path variable under System Variables section. Click on Edit. These are the paths already set up for other tools and softwares on my laptop. Click on New. And paste the path of the MinGW bin folder that we had copied earlier. Click on OK. Now open a new command prompt and type GCC-V. Now you are good to go. Remember to open a new command prompt to have the changes take effect. Do you need help with compiling and running a C program? Check the card on how to run a C program in command prompt. That's it. If this video has helped you, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Tech Support Wheel for more useful contents like this.